Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to delete a watch list on Tradingview. This is helpful when we want to remove watch lists we no longer use or need. Deleting a watch list on Tradingview helps us declutter the trading interface, remove outdated or irrelevant markets, and optimize our workspace for better focus. Removing specific symbols also lets us manage large lists, stop alerts for assets we do not follow, and makes navigation easier. Now, let's get started so everyone, even beginners, can follow along. Let's jump in first. We open our browser and go to tradingview.com. We are redirected to the home page. After that, we log into our account. Once logged in, we go to the watch list. To see all the watch lists, we go to Products. Under Products, we see Support Charts. Here, we view market activities. Support charts show us blocks of market trades. Green means gains, and red means losses. On the right side, we see our watch lists. To delete items from the watch list, we move the cursor to the item we want to remove. When we hover over it, a mini trash icon appears. If we click this icon, the item is deleted from the bin, stocks, forex, and crypto lists. If we want to delete all the watch lists, we go to the upper right corner and click the drop-down button. Then we find Clear All List. By clicking this, all our watch lists are deleted. Please remember, once a watch list is deleted, it cannot be restored. Before removing a watch list, make sure you no longer need the symbols inside it. If you want to keep some symbols but clean up your workspace, you can move them to another watch list instead of deleting the entire list. Managing our watch lists regularly helps us stay organized and focus only on the markets we actively trade. And that's it. This is how we delete a watch list on Tradingview. Removing unused watch lists keeps our workspace clean and focused. This makes it easier to manage our symbols and stay organized. A cleaner watch list means faster and more focused analysis.